Hey guys, what is up? Thanks for coming back to my channel for another video. If you are new, welcome guys. My name is Darlene. I'm glad to have you guys here. So guys, today's video, I really was super excited because I've been looking for these products everywhere and I have not been able to find them. But I saw them at CVS last night and I was like, oh my god, yes, I need to try these. So I picked up the new products from the Maybelline, their Total Temptation line. I really wanted that eyeshadow palette, but they didn't have the eyeshadow palettes. They were all sold out. Big surprise. But I did pick up the mascara, and I actually already took this out of the package, but this is the eyebrow pencil. I got the shade in the pencil 305 Soft Brown, and the mascara Blackest Black, and I like some dark lashes. So I can't wait for you guys to see how these look. This is the finished product on my face. So if you guys want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, we're going to go straight in with my face makeup, or obviously that's what I'm doing in this tutorial, review, whatever you guys want to call it. I always like to do eyebrows first when I start my makeup, and I already pulled my hair back. I did prime and moisturize, do all the good stuff to my face. So we're just going to go in with this brow pencil. I did get the color Soft Brown since my hair is blonder now. I think that the soft brown color would work. I'm not really a fan of like the bold dark eyebrows, so hopefully this is a good match for me. So this is the package right here. I absolutely love like the light pale pink. It is like a super pretty color. It's like really aesthetically pleasing. Can I please focus? There we go. Thank you. It is really like aesthetically pleasing. It's so pretty. This is the actual product. It is at like a point. And it kind of does remind me of the Goof Proof Brow Pencil just a little bit. I kind of prefer like a little angledness to it. And this is the spoolie. I'm not really down for this weird little round shape, but you know what? It's just a spoolie. How picky can we be about a spoolie? And I guess this will be like a little brow tutorial also. I don't do anything crazy with my eyebrows. I just follow my natural shape. Before, when I first started to do my eyebrows, I would add more leans to the front, but I just realized that just didn't really... I don't know, I was learning. It just didn't really work well for me, so I'm just going to go in and just follow my natural shape. Came out. I will say that I do like them. I do think that for being a soft brown color, this is really brown, and I know I probably look really weird right now without the rest of my face makeup, so I'm actually going to go off camera and do my face makeup since this video is only about the mascara and the eyebrow pencil. But I really wanted to show you guys a close-up of how I applied it and how it went on. It did go on really smooth. And but I just think the color is maybe a little bit too dark. I still have to see how it looks with my whole face, so I'll be right back in just a bit. Whole face is done except for mascara. I love the packaging. It reminds me a lot of just all of the high-end mascaras have like this really nice packaging, and they have like their little claims here. So this does say full fluffy lashes, so addictive. They are rated 3 stars, and it has a fluffy brush. 85% saw bold, full volume, no overload. 92% saw lengthened lashes, and 4 out of 5 love their lash look. We shall see how this looks. And once again, I love the packaging. I love this like pink color. It's so, I mean, on camera it looks like kind of tan, but it's like a light pink, and it's just a really nice bottle. It's really luxurious. It's nice when you hold it. This is how the wand looks. It is like one of those soft bristles. I do prefer the rubber bristles because I feel like those really grab on your lashes and make them longer, and I'm all about the long lashes. So we're going to see how this goes on my lashes, so I'm going to zoom y'all in. alrighty guys, my mascara and everything is all on, so I just wanted to share with you guys my final thoughts and opinions on everything. So for the mascara, it was not my favorite. I feel like it did give them a bit of, I don't know, like they don't look long by any means, but they do look full. I do think that this formula did clump really bad on my eyes, and I just personally don't like that look. I was all about that look in high school. Like, I love big clumpy mascara. I don't know what my problem was, but I just don't really like it. And this eye didn't, like, you can't even see them. Like, they're not even standing up. This side is a little bit better about them standing up, but it's just not my favorite. I do prefer wands with the rubber bristles, which is why I do like the CoverGirl Supersizer and the Benefits. They're real. Those are my two favorite. And I think I just need to stick with mascaras with a rubber wand. But, you know, I just wanted to try this out for you guys. If you do like a soft bristle, I would give it a shot. I just think it's just really hard for a rubber or a soft bristle to really grab and push up and volumize your lashes. But it's not a bad mascara. I do like the way it coated my bottom lashes, so I'm just going to keep it and just use it for bottom lashes. The eyebrow pencil I do like a lot. I think that the color, now that I have my full face on, I do like the color. I still think it's a little bit too dark, but it's not bad. I do like it. It went on really smooth and really like creamy. It really just glided on my eyes. I wasn't a fan of the spoolie, but you know, it's a spoolie. What more can you ask for? But yeah, I do like the brow pencil. I think it's really, really worth the money. I also wanted to share with you guys the prices. I didn't share the prices at all. The brow pencil was $7.99, so it's a really, really great price. And the mascara was $9.49, which I don't think that is worth it at all. Again, this is like a new Maybelline one. It's part of their Total Temptation line. If you want to give it a shot, I would give it a shot, but I don't really recommend it. I'll just go ahead and say goodbye, you guys. Have a good day and night wherever you are. Stay tuned for Wednesday. It is going to be part 2 of my murder mystery series here on my channel, so stay tuned for that. I hope that y'all have a good night. Be safe and stay blessed wherever you are, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye! So we're just going to go straight on in with the face. I already moisturized and I did not prime, so I'm going to put some primer on. So we saw, oh my god, I can't stop. Alrighty guys, so we're just going to go jump on straight on. Okay guys, so we're just going to jump straight on in with the face and, what am I talking about? Ugh.